morning, ma'am. What's your name?
I'm Muslim po.
So I have a question for you, ma'am. What is your definition about leadership?
For me, leadership is the ability to influence others and of course its organization. It creates a vision, establishing the goals that are achievable, providing the followers with knowledge, and of course, an effective leader should have a strong communication and management skills, creating vision for creative thinking, of course, and an open-mindedness to change. And of course, a strong leadership should provide effective work environment, and of course, lastly, a teamwork. That's all.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
I'm Jennifer.
So, what is your definition about leadership, ma'am?
For me, leadership is the ability to guide, influence, and inspire others towards achieving a common goal. It involves making decisions and motivating people to work together as a group effectively. Good leadership requires skills in communication in order to solve problems effectively.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
Rain po.
So, what is your definition about leadership, ma'am?
For me, leadership is something that is gifted, not given by your peers, because it depends on how strong your influence is among your subordinates and how they act for your one main goal as a group. So,
Thank you so much, Ma'am Rain. Good morning, sir. So, what's your name?
I'm Kyle.
So, I have a question for you, sir. So, what is your definition about leadership?
Leadership for me is having the authority to direct and guide others. So as a nursing student, we must have the initiative or to have the characteristic of a leadership in our community to have, to promote health. Yes.
Okay, that's all, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Tatina May Arcimado.
So, I have a question for you, ma'am. What is your definition about leadership?
So for me, leadership is more than just having the power, but having the correct use of power. A leader is not only the one giving the tasks or directing their members, but also helping them to become better persons in achieving the goal that they need to have.
Thank you so much, ma'am.